Good morning everyone. We're about to head over to Stratford International and catch the train to Folkestone. I think that's how you call it. I'm going with a friend to the seaside and explore Mermaid Beach and probably like the surroundings as well. I don't know how the vlogging situation is gonna go. Worst case scenario, you get some sick b-rolls, but I've got a train to catch, so let's go.
Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar.
I think we're very close to the beach. I think the beach is just on that, like we just need to walk down. You smell so good though.
Yours looks very healthy.
Mine looks good, yours smells good.
I'm working on a plan right now to come through. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. 'Cause nothing feels the same without you.
Happy Friday. I low-key had the best time yesterday. I kind of went into this like day trip with no expectations whatsoever. I've barely done any research about the place, but oh my god, did it surprise me. I don't think I'm gonna go to like Brighton during a heat wave ever again, because Folkestone is so much better. There was a sandy beach as well, and like although there were a lot of people, there were not as many people as there probably were in Brighton. We ate an amazing fish and chips and I truly had the best time. I think the plans for today is head over to Canada Water. We got some Tesco returns to make, and so probably gonna do that, maybe do like a little walk down Canada Water, and then there's a place in Stratford that I want to try out, so I thought I'll take you guys with. But before we do any of that, I just got a notification saying that my Vinted parcel has been delivered, so let's get over to InPost.
What's the point in dreaming if I lose my voice? The second I get caught by you.
Okay, we're back. I got the goods. I'm literally so excited to open this up. Long story short, I've been wanting these Abercrombie sets for the longest time, and so as I do, I search it up on Vinted, and I'm not gonna lie, the research took longer than anticipated because nobody was selling it, but I kept searching and searching, and finally I came across the top, which I got a few weeks ago now, and I decided to get it and like eventually get the matching skirt, and today is the day. So this is how the top looks like. I don't know if you guys remember this set. I think it's from 3 years ago, but I'm obsessed with the pattern. Now let's find out how the matching skirt looks like. I really hope it fits me. Fun fact, this parcel comes from America. Okay, here we have it. I managed to find it in an extra small, which I think should fit me, but I guess we need to try this on. Welcome to my hallway. I don't think I've ever filmed an outfit of the day in this mirror before. And you're also getting a spoiler of the wood paneling that I'm gonna do in the bedroom, but I'm literally obsessed. It looks so cute. The only annoying part is I really wish it came with pockets, which sadly it doesn't. It does have built-in shorts though, which I think it's great.
I wanted you to know that I'm afraid, but we can make it go away. I hope you hear the things I say when I'm choked up next to you. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm.
And now we're off. Oh my god, see how that doubled in size? Next up, we're gonna add some ice and some milk. Brown sugar salted maple latte. This looks so good. Taste test. Yum, this is so good. Okay, new obsession unlocked. Happy Saturday. This video is technically meant to be part 4 of my moving diaries, and I find that kind of funny because so far in this vlog I've done everything but tidying up my new space. But don't you worry, we're about to change things up, and I think we should start with a bit of a flat update. I feel like we've been doing quite a few things off camera, which was of course not the original plan, but we had a few issues, I guess, and a few things didn't really work out. So let me walk you guys through it. Starting with the kitchen, I told you guys how I wanted to install 2 Norberg table. Well, spoiler alert, that ended up being a fail. We tried to drill the holes in the wall, and for some reason we only managed to get like 2 centimeters deep, which is not that deep at all. And to make a long story short, we decided to go with a different option, which is this one here from B&Q. I'm crossing my fingers that this one would work, but I guess I'll have to keep you guys posted. Other than that little accident though, the kitchen is pretty much 89% done. I want to say I did reorganize all the cabinets and it looks so much better. I'm not too sure about the bits that I've got on the counter. I don't know if that's going to be there forever home or if I'm going to change things around, but so far I'm not hating it. I also don't think you guys have seen our bar stool. My boyfriend ended up assembling them while I was at work to like surprise me, but that meant I couldn't really do an unboxing, but I think they look super cute. Moving on to the second bedroom, it's definitely better than the last time you guys have seen it. It's still a little bit messy, and I think that's definitely the room that we're gonna tackle today because I got a new Alex drawer. I've been wanting an Alex drawer for the longest time. If you guys remember, that was like the #1 thing every single YouTuber had back in the days, and I finally have mine and I'm so happy. I haven't put anything inside though, so we're gonna do that together. That room definitely needs a good organizing and tidy up, but I think once everything is in its spot, it's pretty much done. I'm also super happy with how my desk turned out. I ended up using the Alex drawer to hold the desk itself. It's funny because I went through 2 different legs type before finally deciding to use the Alex drawer, and I did had to install some like legs to lift the Alex drawer up of like 4 centimeters. So yeah, it was a whole thing, but I'm really happy with the result. Our bedroom is pretty much the same. We haven't done anything drastically different to it yet, but I did went ahead and buy 6 acoustic panel from B&M. I really love the look of them, and I had this idea in my head to do a very cute accent wall just behind the bed itself. That also works as a bit of a headboard, I guess. I got most of the tools for that project, but I'm still waiting for the adhesive paste, and I think that's arriving on Tuesday. Talking about the 2-bedroom though, the window sill is definitely something we need to work on because it looks very bad. There's layers and layers of paint, and I think what's underneath is a very pretty terracotta tile, so we're definitely going to do some stripping. Oh, I also did put all our clothes in the closets, but the closets themselves definitely need a bit of a renovation. They're the #1 thing in this flat that we're still yet to paint, and that's because I want to completely redo them, but I think that's a later down the line project. So as of now, everything is hanged. I'm gonna skip the bathroom because I don't really have an update, I guess, about it. I definitely still need to find a good organization system, and it's probably gonna get a little makeover, but again, that's definitely not gonna happen in this vlog. And that leads us to the living room, which is indeed the room where I'm currently in. I'm sat on the couch, which I'm totally obsessed with, and I'm looking at our new curtains. Again, this was one of the things that I definitely wanted to vlog, but I don't know for why. We have definitely not been lucky when it comes to drilling holes. We always ended up hitting some sort of metal, and so the first time that we tried, we ended up being really upset and ended up postponing it, but we finally put them up. They look so good. We used the Vitka curtain system from IKEA, and I'm obsessed. I need to figure out how to attach them together and also don't come for me, but I'm still yet to steam them and make them shorter, but I really like the look of them. I feel like the living room is definitely coming together. We're also gonna get our transformer table delivered next Friday, so I'm excited. Before we go ahead and do any organizing though, I think we should open this parcel together. There's literally nothing like a fresh pair of Converse. These look so good. Side note, but if you're not wearing platform Converse, what are you doing? They're so much more comfortable and look so good. Okay, let's go do some organizing now. Okay, so this is the reality of this room. Compared to where we started, there's definitely an improvement, but we can do better. Oh my god, I got rid of so much like expired makeup and like beauty products. I low-key fill up a whole trash bag. This is also trash, but I'm gonna recycle it through the Boots system. You basically bring 5 empty products and you get a £5 voucher on your Boots card. So we're dealing with this later. Here we have it. It's not perfect, but it's definitely an improvement. I'm finally seeing the desk completely empty. I do want to move these guys, but for the time being, they're laying over here. I'm also planning on hanging this up and like redoing it, but so far not bad. All these boxes are somewhat organized. So is the top there? As for my Alex drawer, I could pretend everything is nice and tidy, but truth being told, I sort of put everything in here, and I definitely think we need to buy some bins to organize it all. I am really upset with this little setup though. I'm also planning on selling these guys, so we might put them up on Facebook Marketplace.
I walked away the way I've done before.